Chapter 1, Food and its Sources. All living things need food to grow and survive. Food contains energy-producing substances that the body needs to grow, do various activities, to repair itself, and to remain healthy and strong. These substances are called nutrients. The food items that we eat in major portions on a daily basis are called staple food. The food we eat comes from both plants and animals. Thus, there are two sources of food, plant source and the animal source. Plant as a source of food. Green plants are known as producers, as they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. We get grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits from plants. Plants from which we get food are grown by farmers on a large scale. Different plant parts like fruits, roots, stems, flowers, leaves and seeds are eaten as food. Fruits and vegetables are the plant parts that are eaten raw as salads or are cooked as curries and other dishes. Eating a variety of vegetables and fruits protects us from many diseases or disorders. A few examples of fruits and vegetables. Roots of many plants are eaten as food. The roots store food prepared by the plants. Most of them are rich in starch. Edible stems. Stems of many plants are eaten as food. In some plants, the stems are found below the soil and are modified for the storage of food. Edible stalks. Tender stalks of some plants like banana, celery, and bamboo are eaten as food. These stalks are nutritious and easily digestible. Edible flowers. Flowers of some plants are eaten as food. Clove is a dried flower which is used as a spice that adds flavor to food. It is also used as medicine. Cauliflower, banana, flower and broccoli are used in salads and curries. Edible leaves. Leaves of some plants are eaten as food. These leaves are also called leafy vegetables. They provide vitamins and minerals to our body. Cabbage and spinach are used to make sabzi. Coriander adds flavor to the food and is also used for garnishing. Mint, pudina is used in medicines. Both mint and coriander are also used to prepare chutney. Mint is added in drinks for flavor. Seeds. Seeds of many plants are eaten as food. Of these, cereals and pulses are a part of our staple diet. Cereals provide most of the food requirements of the world. Rice, wheat, barley, and maize are a few examples of cereals. Pulses are edible seeds found in different colors and sizes. A few examples of pulses are kidney bean, green gram, and pigeon pie. Animal as a source of food. We get milk, eggs, meat, and honey from animals. Milk. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some animals that give us milk. Milk and milk products like paneer, butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Milk products are commonly called dairy products. Eggs. We eat eggs of birds like hen, duck, and goose. We eat meat of animals like chicken, goat, sheep, and duck. A large part of the world's population is dependent on meat as their staple diet, especially those living in the Arctic region. Honey. Bees collect the nectar produced by flowers, convert it into a thick, sweet liquid called honey, and store it in the honeycomb for use throughout the year. This honey is then obtained from hives by collecting honeycombs and scraping them off. Honey is used as a natural sweetener and has many medical properties. Food habits of animals. Different animals have different food habits. Depending on their food habits, they are grouped into three main types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. Horses, deer, and rabbits are few examples of herbivores. These animals have sharp front teeth and big and flat side and back teeth for crushing. Birds are herbivores. They eat nuts, berries, fruits, seeds, etc. Their beaks are hard enough to break open the seeds, nuts, and fruits. Butterflies and honeybees feed on nectar of flowers. They have a special mouth part called proboscis that help them to suck the nectar from the flowers without damaging the flowers. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Tigers, lions, and leopards are a few examples of carnivores. They have sharp pointed teeth of front tearing the flesh of animals. Frogs and chameleons have long, sticky tongue to catch insects. When they see an insect nearby, they shoot out their tongue to catch the insect and roll it back into their mouth. Animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Birds, hedgehogs, rats, dogs, and crows are a few examples of omnivores. Some carnivores are described as scavengers and cannibals. Animals or birds that eat the remains of dead or decomposing animals are called scavengers. They help in cleaning the environment as the remains of dead animals emit foul smells and give rise to many diseases. Vultures, crows, foxes, and hyenas are a few examples of scavengers. Animals that feed on the other individuals of their own kind are called cannibals. This form of obtaining nutrition is due to the scarcity of food. Spiders and dragonflies are few examples of cannibals. Some animals with other types of feeding habits that may be seen in the living world are decomposers and parasites. Organisms that feed on the dead or decaying plant and animal matter are called decomposers. There are different kinds of bacteria, fungi, and worms that act as decomposers. Like scavengers, decomposers also help to keep the environment clean. Organisms that depend or live on or inside the body of other living beings for food are called parasites. They usually harm the host, that is, the organism they depend upon for food. Mosquitoes, leeches, hookworms, and tapeworms are few examples of parasites.